Yeah, the new headlight assembly. Get rid of them fogged up ones. All right, as you can see, these headlights are pretty clouded up. So I'm going to show you how to replace them. Okay, the first thing you got to do is you have these two pins. Just pull them out. Don't lose them. Set them over here to the side. Okay, I'm going to set the camera down. Now just slide it out. Just work it a little bit. Okay, then it comes out. So now, take your headlight, turn it about a quarter of a turn, and the headlight comes out. Don't touch the bulb. This is your side marker light. That one wants to be a little bit different. Oh, that's cool, that broke. There you go. Another side marker light. Okay, the new headlight assembly has this paper over it to seal everything up. So we're going to go ahead and take that off. I don't think I won't be needing this, so I'll set that off to the side. Take the plastic off. Okay. There you go. I just had to push the bulb in. Okay. Like that. And put this in. Alright. Slide this into place. As you see, I'm having to push this in quite a bit, but it did go in. All right, let's go ahead and change the second one. Again, I'm going to pull these pins. Give it a little bit of a wiggle. There we go. Again, screw this about 1/8 of a turn. Quarter about a quarter turn. And there's an O-ring on the light. So this O-ring right here, that's what you're trying to get back in to seal. So I'm going to set that off there to the side. Take the wire harness off of this. Alright, so I got my light bulb back in. I'm going to push this connector in. And it latches. And this kind of appears you got to get it just right. There you go. Okay. Put this in. Put this wire back on. Again, you got a clip on the top and the bottom. Make sure those clip. There you go. Okay, one thing I do not like is this, and I can't push it over anymore. This side, it fits perfectly. It goes right around the corner. This one here is about a ½ inch short, so keep that in mind. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Now we're going to change the rear struts. Here is that part number. I'll put a link in the description. So changing this should be just take a little screwdriver, take this clip out. That clip. Maybe block it up. Let me get a block. Alright, so I got a pair of side cuts. There's a pair of them to cut that strap. So I couldn't find me a block, so I'm going to use this umbrella. So I'll take it off the top. Down here at the bottom as well. you can see, the new one comes with straps. So let me get this strap cut off of here. Alright, so I got a pair of side cuts. There's a pair of them to cut that strap. Top one, pull that out. As far as so down here, get my screwdriver in here. It's getting dark. I can't hardly see. Alright, so now I got this one. Again, these have this, they put a band on it. So let's cut this. Okay, I do not recommend taking these clips off because I took the clips off the other one. And it was a time trying to get it back on. So we're just gonna push it on. Up here at the top. And line it up. Bit of push. Kind of hard to do one-handed. There we go. Let's see if it works. Okay. Much better.